What's up, bro?
Hey, what's going on?
What are you doing? What do you got there?
Oh, I got Mom some flowers and milk duds for Mother's Day.
Oh, nice. Don't you get her that every year?
I do, but I don't know what else to get her.
Yeah, I mean, no, she can't keep those alive for more than a couple of days, and I mean, she'll eat those in one sitting.
You got a good point there.
What's up, man?
What's up, bro?
How's it going? Good to see you. Oh, gosh, I miss hugging. What do you got there?
Oh, I just got Mom a card for Mother's Day.
Nice, let me see it. All you got is your name in there.
Yeah, man, that's all I could come up with.
All right, well, that'll do.
So, Big Talker, what did you end up getting Mom for Mother's Day, since our gifts apparently aren't too great?
Yeah, what'd you get her?
I got her what she's always wanted.
What's that?
A backsplash for her kitchen. Once again, I'm going to be the favorite son. Got this from Tile Outlet, etc. and Rogers. They had everything.
They had everything?
Everything.
Wow. Hey! What's up, Joe? Bro?
What's up, guys?
What's going on?
Not much.
What did you get, Mom?
I got her a tiger. It's outside.
What? Are you kidding me?
What are you doing?
Like outside?